Views in object-oriented programming: understanding different perspectives. Introduction to views. Views in object-oriented programming refer to different perspectives or representation of data and functionality within a system. They provide a way to visualize and interact with the underlying model. Types of views: user interface (UI) views, representation of data and functionality present the user for interaction, often through graphical interface. Data views, representation of data structures and their relationships, typically in the form of diagrams or tables. Process views, representation of system process and their interactions, such as flow charts or activity diagrams. Structural views, representations of the system architecture, including class diagrams, component diagrams, and package diagrams. Benefits of using views. Abstraction views enable abstraction by presenting only relevant aspects of the system to different stakeholders. Simplification. Views simplify complex systems by breaking them now into manageable components and relationships. Communication. Views facilitate communication between stakeholders with different backgrounds and perspectives. Analysis. Views support analysis and decision making by providing clear representations of system aspects. Adaptations. View allows for the adaptation of system representations of meet specific stakeholders' needs and preference. Considerations for designing views. Stakeholder needs. Identify the needs and preferences of different stakeholders to design appropriate views. Consistency. Maintain consistency between different views to ensure coherence and avoid confusion. Scalability. Design views that can scale with the complexity and size of the system. Understandability. Ensure that views are understandable and accessible to all stakeholders, regardless of their technical expertise. Tool support. Utilize appropriate tools and technologies to create, manage, and visualize views effectively. Conclusion. Views play a crucial role in understanding, communicating, and managing complex systems in object-oriented programming. By designing and utilizing views effectively, developers and stakeholders can collaborate more efficiently and make informed decisions throughout the software development life cycle.
Model it is a replace of the effort with which the system operates, means effort both carries and details. Pass along it. Cherries. They make it include operate should already and query to the base. Magnifies on the common what is service. Proxy logic. Include proxy rules, calculate pages and the offering and the found and be hard on the class. Chat notifies the model notify the build when there are changes to dates. Texting is a SEO to unit test verifies user and using login and then manipulate for algorithm. They persist. The moment they persist were with the bus on the message.
Controller responds to event or action performed by the user through the view in order the request and information operate. It is also responsible for choosing which view is the one to show to the user according to the request receiving, which is quite easy the like the connection the more to the view. Example: controller connects the model and view. Model stores and manages data, and view displays data and handles user interactions.
Model counter has an internet value and a method to increment the value. Counter view has a show value method that simply prints the value of the counter. Counter controller has an increment counter method that increments the counter and then displays the value using the view. In the main program, model view and control instance and create. Uh, then the control method is called to increment the counter, and this method updates the view showing the new value of the counter.